In this video we gonna know about how to download videos and photos on Instagram by just tapping a button. For this first download app Instander, which link is given in description. If you has Instagram in your device, then delete it first and log in on Instander. This app is safe and secure. Before we entering video, make sure you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's now get into video. This interface was as like as Instagram. Okay, first we know how to download photos and videos. Now click here. If it has more photos or videos in one post, then it asks you to download current media or all media. You can choose what you want. Okay, we now discuss features on app Instander. Swipe right. Choose Instander settings. In the download option you can set up notifications, split usernames, storage path. Okay, next go to privacy settings. In this option you can disable ads, disable analytics, and can crash reports. Next, ghost mode. This feature is useful for many. In this you can disable typing status, disable read in chat, can disable mark stories as seen, hide view on live stream. Next, quality improvements option. In this you can improve quality of posts, stories, IGTV, and reels. Next, gestures option. You can zoom photo by a long tap is a big feature in this. Next, miscellaneous option. This is also a big feature. In this you can hide liked posts, full screen stories, set indicator follows you or not. Next, unmutual followers is given, and if you want verification tick you can get it by paying money. Next, updates are given in app itself. So we will meet back in next videos guys. It's bye from your Phoenix Networks.